Bitcoin enthusiasts, welcome back to Bitcoin Guru. It's Bitcoin Guru, and today we're going to be sharing knowledge. And guess why? Because knowledge is power, and knowledge is very important in 2018, especially July, August, September, October, November, December. So let's start without further ado. We have a ton of information to cover. If I am not going as fast as you would like, and I'm not suiting your fancy, you can definitely speed up the video should you want to move forward. So first and foremost, I feel like I have to do this because this is a very volatile time in the crypto market, and people make decisions based off of emotions, based off of information. And it's always good to listen to multiple sources. I'm not your final source. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to share information. So, people are going to be talking. I hear a lot of people talking, and I listen to all criticism because I like to pinpoint weaknesses so we can see improvement. But man, numbers don't lie. So let's... I love this, okay? Man, let's take a look. So the market, how is the market doing? And what are the things that are going to be affecting prices of Bitcoin? Well, we all know crypto is going to be the future of financial freedom. Actually, I don't know. It's absolutely 1000% wishful thinking. But the way that I'm seeing things progress as far as financial freedom from never-ending debt cycles, funky interest rates, borrowing, just all of that is a mess. So this can contribute to a lot of projects, especially crypto-related, for their value to go up. Another thing, social issues with privacy. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard about the fiasco with Facebook and plenty more applications that have been found to do things that they're not supposed to, monitor things when they're not supposed to, record things when they're not supposed to, send personal information when they're not supposed to. Just the whole idea behind privacy and feeling safe and secure. If everything is going to be online in the future, I think it's very important that we have online privacy and security. And man, if you can throw anonymity in there, I'll be all for it. So personally, in my humble opinion, I think future societies would most likely prefer an anonymous option for means of exchange and or payment. That is just me. And I think the very bullishness about, and when I say bullishness, I don't mean to throw anybody off with terms that you guys don't know. Bullish meaning optimistic in trading terms. I'm very optimistic about the future and about future technological advancements. So I think all of these would contribute to the crypto community, which Bitcoin is a part of. Now, when we're talking about numbers, now this is just what I think is going to be affecting prices in the future, what I think. And again, it's just me. Let's go over Bitcoin versus the US dollar. In 2014, and this is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to list the opening price at the time of listing, in this case in 2014, the December 31st, the last day of the year, and also the high and the low of each year. And this is in US dollars, okay? So up to here we have a 1 penny, 10 pennies, $1. This is I don't even know how to pronounce these numbers, so I'll just let you visualize what we're looking at. We're looking at it went as low as 6. It opened up at 65, which should remind you of something that is happening very, very recently. It opens up high. There is a low of 6 that it goes down to. It reaches a high of 84, which beats and surpasses its opening price, and then it closes at 9. The very following year, of course, it opens up at 9 because it closes at 9. It has a low of 6, which is the same as last year. Okay, that is okay, meets the same resistance, but now has a high of 162. Now we're literally talking about almost double. And now it closes, I would say, 3 times higher than it did the previous year. So that is 300% return. Next year, 2016, opens up at 31, goes as low as 24, and has a not as high as previously, but it has a high of 93, but has a close of 49. Now this is just Bitcoin per US dollar, okay? So notice the closing of each year, what kind of difference it has. First, it has a close of 9, a 31, a 49. Constantly, every single year, it sets a new high. As far as lows, look at the lows again. 2014 closes at 6, 2015 closes at 6, 2016 closes at 24. That is 4 times. That is 400% increase on the low of Bitcoin. So this is 3 years in, okay? This is cryptocurrency that has been worked on since 2012. Only 900 days since the origination of Bitcoin. We follow up with 2017, and it opens up again at 49 because it closed at 49 in 2016. Goes as low as 6. Again, we're seeing the same 6 in the first two years that it closed. Has a high of 84, and it closes at, in this case, that would be 5,900 if we were still talking about the same numbers, comparing 49, 9, 31. Now it's 5,900. Okay? This is in 2017. What do we have? We have a very near same high, the same low, and now it closes at almost a little bit more than half a penny. And now, as we're looking at the price, I truly do not see Bitcoin going any lower than half a penny. It opened up in 2018 at half a penny. It reached a low of a little bit less than a fifth of a penny. And a high of 3 cents. I'm not even going to go into the craziness that happened on Binance and the fact that it reached $1. But, well, not $1, actually it reached 94 cents. But we'll talk about that in a little bit. Still, the type of increase that we're seeing here, even if we're talking about just from 2014 till now, we're talking about hundreds and hundreds of percent of return. So it is constantly moving up. And one of the things that people fail to realize is this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is in the background, there's people working probably way longer than 9 to 5 on this project. And one needs to recognize